What is limb deformity correction? पैर का टेढ़ापन या छोटापन क्या होता है? As we see, हम देख सकते हैं कि there are so many cases where we see limb deformity because of congenital deformities like clubfoot, like polio, like achondroplasia, like post-traumatic deformity. As in this case, we can see a dystrophic virus deformity because clade was applied here. Post-traumatic, post-osteomyelitic. This is post-infective deformity with limb shortening. Other cases may be like tumor, in other cases. So if we have a virus deformity correction, this is the key apparatus, the Elizero from Russia, Kogan, to correct this deformity and limb leading. इस Elizero apparatus से हम किसी भी तरह की deformity, limb की, हाथ की, पैर की deformity correction कर सकते हैं, लंबा कर सकते हैं. So what we have done in this case, focus करें यहाँ पे, please. So there was a, you can see the scar here. There was a virus deformity in this case, and we applied 2 rings above, 1 ring, 1 arch, 2 rings below for the stability. And here we can do either gradual correction, but in this case, because there was soft cancellous bone, I've done acute correction. The correction has been done, and now we'll be doing blending from the same area. So this is the small incision from where we have done the osteotomy. Deformity correction has been done. Because there are 2 hinges over here, and there is 1 distractor for it. So this is the hinge for the deformity correction. This is the distractor. And then after the deformity correction is done in any of these cases, we can do blending from here only, gradually after 7 days of compression. किसी भी तरह का deformity correction, deformity हो, we can see in the hand, the fingers, in the elbow, in the shoulder, even the clavicle, like this. Or we can have deformities in the hip, coxa vara, genovalgum, genovarus, foot deformity, equinus, clubfoot, poliotic deformity, या छोटा पैर बड़ा हो. You can do all this deformity corrections in Bihar. We have been doing this in Bihar. I'm trained from USA and Russia. So patients हमारे पास आते हैं all over the world, from Bangladesh, from other countries, from Rajasthan, from Assam, from Bengal, from UP, from Odisha, from even Hyderabad and Bangalore for complex clubfoot corrections. इसके अलावा besides if you have any osteomyelitis, limb salvage has to be done. पूरा bone सड़ा हुआ है, we do removal and bone transport from here. We do tumor rejection. We do any sort of limb reconstruction surgery related to Elizero, LRS, and other modalities, as well as orthopedic cancer surgeries. I'm Dr. Shamsullah speaking from my Ortho Hajipur Center. Thank you. Dhanyavad.